um in this video we have some very important thing which I'm going to be reviewing in this video quickly, as soon as I can, as fast as possible. You don't understand. The thing is, in this video I want to review another cash crop which people are really not looking at, which people are also looking away from, thinking that okay, this thing is not really profiting. It's a lie, sir. So this cash crop is one of the fast growing cash crop in not just Africa but in every part of the world. In short, it is this cash crop that is your everyday. You don't understand. Now be your everyday. You take it almost every day. So, but without all that being said, what you have to do for me, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, or this is the first time you're seeing my face, I know that you might not really like my face. What you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. Back to what we are saying now quickly is this. Now, looking in this video, you will see something that here is a cocoa, as it called, cocoa plant. And let me tell you, I tried last time. I made a video and I was telling us about oil palm, which is one of the major. In short, it is a trending now. It is trending. Oil palm is more than a cash crop. You don't understand. So, but people tend to go to that side, forgetting there is another cash crop which can be giving them money. You don't understand. And what is that? Looking at this video, you see, and that is cocoa plant. Now, cocoa plants are the same. Their lifespan. First of all, let's look at the lifespan of a cocoa plant. Now, the lifespan of a cocoa plant, a cocoa seed, before it grows to maturity and to harvest, it takes 4 years. If the place is too okay for them, plus or minus 3 years and. But 4 years is the maximum, and then it starts bearing. You know, that is like the lifespan of it. And these are the cocoa plant you're seeing, and the oil palms. They have almost the same lifespan. Let me not say, sure, they have the same lifespan. But in the aspect of oil palms, the processes in making oil palms and the process of making cocoa of processing cocoa these are two different things. You don't understand. But now, if you want to go into farming and you don't really know which type of cash crop you want to venture into, I have brought another blueprint to you today, which is the cocoa plant. Now, cocoa plant, after 4 years, there's a chemical you can use, which I'll be sharing in another video, which you can use. Once it gets to a particular extent, you spray it on the tree, and then it starts bearing. As soon as, you don't understand, it starts bearing, because everything now in this world now is chemicalized. You don't understand. So, but the thing is, so 4 years you should start harvesting your cocoa. And from my findings also, now let's look at the worth of a cocoa now. 100 kg of bag of a cocoa is sold for 1 million naira. 100 kg, yes. 100 kg of a bag of a cocoa is sold for 1 million naira. Now, looking at it from your own, depending on the location where you are, 1 million naira times it by how many stands of cocoa you have, how many stands of cocoa, and then how many you can harvest. I came to find out that just a washing hand basin of it is sold for, I think it's about 30,000 or thereabout, or 50,000. Or for the back of sack and motors, it's sold for around 90 something thousand, or even 100 and something. So 100 kg of it is 1 million naira if it has not increased as of now that we are making this video. So please, aside from oil palms, which everybody wants to venture into, this is another opportunity, farming opportunity I've actually brought to you. If you look at this video, I also have cocoa plant. Looking in this video, you will see, look at them, look at the way they are doing, you know, and it does well. Now, that is one thing we have to say in this video. And another thing is, I don't want this video to be too long. Another thing we have to say in this video is, where do you need to plant it? Where is good for cocoa plant? If you want to know where it's good for it and how the processes, everything, I can take you through the processes. Please, I want you to hit in the comment section. Say, sir, show me. Just write it on the comment section. Show me. You understand? Then I'll be making a video and then tag you, and then you will see, or I will tell you where it is best for you to plant your cocoa seed and when it is best. So in this video, I don't want this video to be too long. That is what I keep telling you. My videos, I don't like them to be too long. I just like them to be educative, informative, and above all, engaging. You understand? So cocoa plant is one of the cash crop you can venture into and start making millions of naira. You start making millions just by one harvest, one time harvest. So you can imagine. So that is what we are saying. 1 million is a multi-million naira. What is it called? Agriculture, type of agriculture. So if you want to venture into cash crops, because the idea in agriculture now is to go into cash crop. If you say oil palm is not for you, this is another one for you now, cocoa planting. So please, if you have watched this video to this extent, and I know you like my face, now I know you like my face. Yes, you love my face. What you have to do for us is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one you're watching right now, because it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay productive, stay active, start farming, and stop playing. Bye.